as haloalkanes and haloarenes. What are haloalkanes and haloarenes? We know that in periodic table 17 group elements are known as halogens, which are represented by symbol X. For example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are example for halogens. So here X is nothing but chlorine, bromine or iodine. Haloalkanes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons which consist carbon-carbon single bond. For example, it is the second member of alkane family which consists two carbon atoms. It is ethane. So in an alkane, if one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen, here if one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen, then it becomes haloalkane. Haloalkane is nothing but halogen with an alkane. So here alkane, ethane with halogen, haloalkane. So here ethane by replacing hydrogen atom become haloalkane. So hydrocarbon, any hydrocarbon, in any hydrocarbon, if one halogen atom is replaced by the hydrogen atom called haloalkanes. For example, if chlorine is replaced, then it become ethane become chloroethane. If hydrogen is replaced by bromine, so ethane become bromoethane. Similarly, in an arane, so aromatic compounds are example for arane. Here it is benzene ring. In benzene ring, okay, it is benzene. If one hydrogen in benzene, one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen, I will consider chlorine. Here chlorine is replaced hydrogen, so then it become chlorobenzene. Benzene become chlorobenzene. Here ethane become bromoethane after replacing hydrogen by halogen atom. So haloalkane and haloarenes are nothing but haloalkane is nothing but the replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen called haloalkanes. In an arane or cyclic compounds in benzene ring, if one halogen atom replaces one hydrogen, then it becomes haloarane, haloalkane and haloarane. Here it is bromoethane is example for haloalkane. Here chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is example for haloarane. Classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Basically, haloalkanes and haloarenes are classified based on number of halogen atoms attached. Classification based on number of halogen atoms. Based on number of halogen atoms, haloalkanes are classified into three types. First one is monohaloalkane. Second one is dihaloalkane. And polyhaloalkane. Monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, polyhaloalkane. Monohaloalkanes means the haloalkanes which consist only one halogen atom. Only one halogen atom is attached to the haloalkanes called monohaloalkanes. For example, here CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. Here only one halogen atom is attached. So it is example for monohaloalkane. Similarly, dihaloalkane. Dihaloalkanes means haloalkanes which consist two halogen atoms. called dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes means the haloalkanes which contain two halogen atoms called dihaloalkanes. Example, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH, CH2, CHCl, CH2Cl. So it is example for dihaloalkane which consists single halogen, monohaloalkane. Here it consists two halogen atoms. It is example for dihaloalkane. Similarly, polyhaloalkanes means which consist three or more than three number of halogen atoms. So if haloalkanes consist three halogen atoms called trihaloalkanes. If it consists four halogen atoms called tetrahaloalkane. If it consists five halogen atoms called pentahaloalkanes, like this. So the haloalkanes which consist three or more than three number of halogen atoms called polyhaloalkanes. So I will take tetrahaloalkane as example, which consists three number of halogen atoms. Here halogen means it may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. So I took example as chlorine. So here CH2Cl, CHCl, CH2Cl is example for trihaloalkane. It is 1-chloropropane. Here 1,2 dichloropropane is example for dihaloalkane. Here 1,2,3 trichloropropane. Similarly, haloarenes also classified into three types: monohaloarene, dihaloarene, and polyhaloarene based on number of halogen atoms attached. For example, so for one benzene ring, if only one halogen atom is attached, then it is known as, it is example for monohaloarene. Here haloarene which consists only one halogen atom. So here it is chlorobenzene, which is example for monohaloarene. So dihaloarene which consists two halogen atoms. So in an aromatic ring, one halogen, two halogen atoms, remaining hydrogen. So it is 1,2 dichlorobenzene is example for dihaloarene. Similarly, for trihaloarene which consists three halogen atoms, 1, 2, 3, which is example for trihaloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes classified based on number of halogen atoms are attached. So haloalkanes are classified into monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane and polyhaloalkanes. Haloarenes are classified into monohaloarenes, dihaloarenes and polyhaloarenes. So here example for monohaloalkane, example for monohaloarene, example for dihaloalkane, example for dihaloarene. Here example for polyhaloalkane, example for polyhaloarene. Monohaloalkanes which consist only one halogen atom, classified on two bases. First one compound containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. Compound containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. Monohaloalkanes further classified on two bases. First one is compound containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. sp3 hybridized CX bond, and second one is compound containing sp2 hybridized CX bond. Let us know about sp3 hybridized CX bonds. So based on compounds containing sp3 hybridized CX bond, haloalkanes, monohaloalkanes are classified into three types. First one is haloalkane. First one is haloalkanes. Haloalkanes or alkyl halides. Alkyl halides is nothing but the alkanes which consist one halogen atom. So here there are three types. First one is primary alkyl halides, second one is secondary alkyl halides, and tertiary alkyl halides. Degree 1 or first degree alkyl halides, second degree alkyl halides, or third degree alkyl halides. So alkyl halides means halogen atoms. Halogen atom is attached to an alkane which is sp3 hybridized. For example, here CX, here hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Here R means it is one alkyl group. So it is one primary alkane. Here halogen atom is attached to a primary alkane. So it is first degree or degree 1, first degree or primary alkyl halides. Second one, secondary alkyl halides. Halogen atom is attached to the secondary alkyl halide. That means which consists one linear chain. It is R means alkyl halide, alkyl group. It is carbon atom. Here one more alkyl group, R dash. Here one hydrogen atom, here halogen atom. So here halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. So which is secondary. And tertiary, it is one alkyl group attached to the carbon atom and one more alkyl group, R dash and R double dash. It is one more alkyl group, here one halogen. So it is tertiary. So halogen atom attached to the primary alkyl halide. Here halogen atoms attached to the secondary alkane. It is secondary alkyl halide, and halogen atom is attached to the tertiary hydrocarbon. It is example for tertiary alkyl halides. So primary means it is linear, there is no branches. Secondary means it is one line which consists one branch. Here it is one more alkyl group which consists one branch. It is secondary. Tertiary means it is one linear chain which consists two branches. Here one branch and one more branch here. So it is tertiary hydrocarbon for which one halogen atom is attached. Primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. There are three types in alkyl halides. So classification on the basis of compounds containing sp3 hybridized CX bond. So all these three cases, halogen atom is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridization is nothing but, so we know that the valency of carbon is 4. That means carbon have ability to bond with other 4 atoms. All 4 bonds. So carbon contain 4 bonds. All 4 bonds are sigma bond. Carbon contain 4 bonds. All 4 bonds are sigma bonds. Then we can say the given carbon is sp3 hybridized. all bonds are sigma bond. So here all bonds are sigma bond, therefore it is sp3 hybridized. If any carbon atom consists at least one pi bond, then it is known as sp2 hybridized carbon, which consists two pi bonds called sp hybridized carbon. Always first bond is sigma bond and second bond is pi bond. That means in single bond, which is a sigma bond, in double bond, first bond is sigma bond, second bond is pi bond. In triple bond, first bond is sigma bond, second and third bonds are pi bonds. So here compounds classification on the basis of compound containing sp3 hybridized CX bond. First one is alkyl halides. So in alkyl halides, halogen atom is attached to the alkanes. So for which consists sp3 hybridized carbon. In all these three cases, halogen atom attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. So second one, allylic halides. Allylic halide means halogen atom is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized, which present next to carbon-carbon double bond. Allylic halide means halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon which present next to carbon-carbon double bond. For example, it is one carbon-carbon double bond and carbon atom which present next to double bond. It is double bond which present next to double bond, and halogen atoms are attached to this carbon. We will write directly. Here it is CH2X. Allylic halide means halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. It is sp3 hybridized carbon which present next to carbon-carbon double bond. It is carbon-carbon double bond which present next to the carbon-carbon double bond. We will take one more example. Okay, it is one cyclic compound. Here this carbon atom, okay, we will consider this carbon atom consists one double bond and here one more carbon which is sp3 hybridized carbon. So for this carbon one halogen atom is attached. So it is also example for allylic halides. Allylic halide means halogen atoms attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized, which present next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Next third one is benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. Alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides. Benzylic halide means halogen atoms which present next to one aromatic benzene ring. So for example, benzylic halide means okay, it is one benzene ring, halogen atom, okay, at this position it consists one carbon atom. For this carbon halogen atom is attached, CH2X. So benzylic halide means halogen group is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized, which present next to an aromatic ring. It is one aromatic ring. This carbon present next to the aromatic ring which is sp3 hybridized carbon, and halogen atom is attached to this carbon atom. So compound containing sp3 CX bond, on the basis of compound containing sp3 CX bond, haloalkenes, monohaloalkenes are classified into three types: alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides. Alkyl halide means for alkane halogen is attached. If it is attached to the primary alkane, primary alkyl halide. If it is attached to the secondary alkane, it is secondary alkyl halide. If it is attached to the tertiary alkane, then it is tertiary alkyl halides. Or primary means first degree, secondary means second degree, tertiary means third degree. Second one, allylic halides. Here halogen atom is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized and which present next to the carbon-carbon double bond. It is one double bond. So halogen atom attached to the carbon which present next to the carbon-carbon double bond, and here also which present next to carbon-carbon double bond. Allylic halides. Next, benzylic halides. Benzylic halide means halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon which present next to an aromatic ring. Classification based on compound containing sp2 hybridized CX bond. Classification based on compound containing sp2 hybridized carbon halogen bond. So on this basis, haloalkenes, monohaloalkenes are classified into two types. First one is vinylic halide and second one is aryl halides. Vinylic halide means halogen atom is attached to the carbon which is sp2 hybridized and which consists one carbon-carbon double bond. For example, here which consists, here it is a double bond and carbon atom is present, and this halogen atom directly attached to the carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized and which consists carbon-carbon double bond. Or for example, here CH2 double bond CHX. Here halogen is attached to this carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized and which consists one double bond. So it is example for vinylic halide. Or one more example, it is one aromatic ring which consists one double bond here, and for this halogen atom is directly attached to this carbon atom. Second one, aryl halides. Aryl halide means halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon which is sp2 hybridized or directly attached to the carbon in a benzene ring. Here halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom in an aromatic ring called aryl halides. Vinylic halides, aryl halides. It is here vinylic halide means carbon atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon which consists at least one double bond. Here also which consists double bond directly attached to the carbon which is sp2 hybridized. Here also attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon which present in an aromatic ring.